Good morning, student. On last turn, I completed the syllabus of mathematics. From today, I am going to revise the syllabus of mathematics. First of all, I am going to start the revision of chapter 8, Introduction of Trigonometric. So, first of all, I am taking the question related to exercise 8.1, like question number 1. If cosec A is equal to 2, find the value of 1 upon tan A plus sin A upon 1 plus cos A. Now, see it, cosec A is 2, that is 2 upon 1. This is angle A, this is B and this is C. Cosec is hypotenuse upon perpendicular, that is AC upon BC. So, AC is 2 K and BC is 1 K. By Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC is 2K, AB square plus 1K square, that is 4K square is AB square plus K square. K square take on left side, that is AB square. AB square is equal to 3K square and AB is equal to K root 3. So, it is 2K, it is K, it is K root 3. Here sin A, that is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is K upon 2K, 1 upon 2 cos A, base upon hypotenuse, AB upon AC, K root 3 upon 2K, that is root 3 upon 2 tan A, perpendicular upon base, K upon K root 3. So, 1 upon tan A sin A upon 1 plus cos A, putting the values of sin A, cos A and tan A. Tan A is 1 upon root 3, sin A is 1 upon 2, cos A is 1 plus root 3 upon 2. That come on numerator plus 2 is the LCM, 2 plus root 3. This 2 and 2 cancel. So, it is equal to root 3 plus 1 multiply and divide it by conjugate. 2 plus root 3 conjugate is 2 minus root 3. So, it multiply with 2 minus root 3 and also divide with 2 minus root 3. So, it will be 2 minus root 3. This is a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. So, 2 plus, so root 3 plus 2 plus minus root 3. This cancel it, 2 is the answer. This is very interesting that given value is 2 and its value is also 2. See the second question. If tan A is equal to root 2 minus 1, show that sin A cos A is equal to tan A upon 1 plus tan square A is equal to root 2 upon 4. This is angle A. Tan A is root 2 minus 1. Take at 1. Perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is AC. BC. Base is AB. If we taking value of K is 1, so we can write BC is root 2 minus 1, AB is 1. By Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. One A square plus B square minus 2 into A into B. 1 plus 2 plus 1 minus 2 root 2, that is 4 minus 2 root 2, and AC is 4 minus 2 root 2 is root. Next, sin A cos A. Sin A is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular is BC, hypotenuse is AC. BC is root 2 minus 1, AC is 4 minus 2 root 2. Cos A, base upon hypotenuse, base is AB, hypotenuse is AC, AB is 1 upon root 4 minus 2 root 2. sin A cos A is root 2 minus 1 root 4 minus 2 root 2 multiply root 4 minus 2 root 2. Root 2 minus 1, this root separated because whole square is there, so it will be 4 minus 2 root 2. Multiply with its conjugate, four root 2 minus 4, 2 into 2 minus 4 root 2, 4 into 1, 2 root 2 into root 2 is 2, and 2 root 2 into 1 is this, a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square. 4 root 2 minus 2 root 2, that is 2 root 2 minus 4 plus 4 upon 16 minus 4 into 2. This 4 and 4 cancel. 2 root 2 upon 16 minus 8 upon 8, 2 4 ja, root 2 upon 4. First proof is there. Second proof is tan A upon 1 plus tan square A. Tan A is, it is given to you 1 plus tan square A root 2 minus 1 whole square. So it will be root 2 minus 1 A square plus b square minus 2 into A into b. This is a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. This is 1, root 2 square is 2, this is 4 root 2, root 2 minus 1, 4 minus 2 root 2. You see this same thing, multiply and divided by its conjugate, same way, and we get it, all these things root 2 upon 4, hence proved. See the third question. If sin B is equal to 1 upon 2, prove that 3 cos B minus 4 cos cube B is equal to 0. Sin B is 1 upon 2, that is perpendicular upon hypotenuse this is angle B C A, perpendicular is AC, hypotenuse is AB, so it is 1 and it is 2. You can take K also, AC is K, AB is 2K. By Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. AC is K square, this is BC square, AB is 2K square. 4K square minus K square is equal to BC square, and BC square is equal to 3K square. BC is K root 3. Find the value. 3 cos B minus 4 cos cube B. Cos B, base upon hypotenuse. This base is K root 3. First you find out cos B, base upon hypotenuse, K root 3 upon 2K. So it will be root 3 upon 2 minus 4 root 3 upon 2 whole cube. So it becomes 3 root 3 upon 2, 4 root 3 into root 3 into root 3. It becomes 3, so it will be 3 root 3 upon 8. 4 2 ja 8. 3 root 3 upon 2 minus 3 root 3 upon 2. This cancel it, 0, that is proved. Okay.